So for the second part, we will start with this. Here I made the front post and back post double crochet stitch, and if you prefer to have only the double crochets, and you can do that too. So insert your hook in one of the stitches from the back. I'll do it here. So as I told you, if you prefer to have only the double crochets like this, you can do that. Okay, so chain one, and this chain one is not your stitch, so yarn over, and I will do a front post double crochet. So if you prefer double crochet, just make your double crochet there and double crochet in every stitch, and when you join, you will not join on this chain one here. So I'll do the front post and back post with a 0.5 mm hook. Okay, a smaller hook. And for this round, this is what we repeat. Okay, front post and back post double crochet. So continue making your front post and back post double crochet, or your double crochets if that's what you prefer. So if you are doing it right, we should end with a back post double crochet here, because we started with a front post, but I'm not realizing where did I miss my stitch. So I'll just take these two and make it one back post double crochet, and the chain one is not your stitch, so you join on top of this and you chain one again. And I'm going to repeat this front post and back post 2 more rows, so I'll have 3. So I already have 1, and I'll do 3 rows of this, and when I finish to do that, I will show you how to do the next part. And here I have 3 rows of front post and back post double crochet. Find your first shell of this bodies. Okay, this is first shell, so I'm slip stitch until I get to this stitch. So here it is. Okay, this one and this one, so I will slip stitch until I get here. So I'll have 2 slip stitch, 1 and 2, and then I'll chain 3. I'll chain 3 and make my 4 double crochets in the same space. 3 and 4, and then you skip 2, have single crochet, you skip 2 and you have 5 double crochet. The repeats are the same, just like the repeats that we did for this upper part. Okay, 5 double crochets in the same space, skip 2, single crochet and skip 2, you have your shell again, and we should have the same number of shells like we have here. Okay, so we should have 18, and make your 18 shells. After that, I'll show you what to do. Okay, here I have 18 shells, and the stitch that I missed was right here. So before I used to rip all my work when I find a mistake like this one, but now I learned to compromise the stitch, and here I have only 2 stitches left. We should have 5 stitches left here, but I only have 3. 1, 2, 3. So don't rip your work, okay, if this is what you get. just make your single crochet into one of the spaces here, and then join with a slip stitch on your chain 3. The important thing is that we should have 18 shells, just like what we have here. So now switch to your 4mm hook. This is my 4mm, and then slip stitch into the third double crochet, 1 and single crochet. You will skip 2 and make your shells into this space. It's the same repeat only. Make your shells 4, 5 and skip 2 and single crochet. And for this round also, this is what we are going to repeat. Complete this round, okay, and this is where you start, so end with a slip stitch and you repeat again with chain 3. We will work about 5 rounds with this number of stitches, 5 rounds, I mean, with a 4mm. So you have 1 and then 4 more rounds, and after that I will show you how to add increases to the skirt here. Okay, so you repeat what you did in the upper part of the dress only. 1 round will start with chain 3 and 1 round with single crochet. So continue making 4 more rounds here. I'll see you. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds with same number of stitches, and from the next round I am going to add increases into our shells. So to add the increases here, instead of 5 double crochets in each shell, we are going to work 7 double crochets in each shell. So I'll start with chain 3 and then 6 double crochet more in the same stitch. That's 3, 4, 5 and 6, and you skip 2 and single crochet on the third, and then you skip 2 and 7 double crochet in each of these valleys or single crochet spaces here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you skip 2 and single crochet. It's the same thing just like we did here, only the only difference is that you have 7 double crochets instead of 5. So complete this round with 7 double crochets in each shell. I'll show you what to do in the next round. So by the end of this round you can see that it is getting wider than what we have here or here. Okay, so to repeat this one, we are going to slip stitch into the top, onto the top of the 4th double crochet here. So we have the chain 3, so it counts as 1, 1, 2, 3, and on top of this 4th here we are going to make our single crochet. So slip stitch into that, so this is the 4th, and make a single crochet, and again you will skip 3 double crochets here. You will skip 3 stitches here. We skip only 2 here. In this increase here we will skip 3 stitches, so you have 1, 2, 3, and in this space here you will make again 7 double crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and instead of 2 stitch we are going to skip 3, so 1, 2, 3, and on top of the 4th single crochet, and 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th stitch you make your shell again with 7 double crochets, and just like that. Okay, so here you have 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, and you skip 1, 2, 3, and on top of the 4th one you make your single crochet. So by now you must have known the stitch very well, isn't that right? Do you like working with this stitch? This is like one of my most favorite crochet stitches. So again, here this is the same thing you are going to repeat with your 4mm hook and 7 double crochets in one shell. One row you will start with single crochet, and one row you will start with 3 chains, so it's the same repeat just like we did here. The only difference is you have 7 double crochets. So you are going to repeat until you get to the length that you need with only this number of stitches. Okay, 7 double crochets in each shell, and use your own measurement. And see, I use this shell only for the bottom. 2, 4, 6, 7, and continue making your beautiful crochet dress. And when you get to the length that you need, cut your yarn, secure, and weave in your tails. And then if you like the video, do subscribe, and thank you so much.